I'm staying at the Residence Inn, Manhattan Central Park, in room 5504. This was Brody's surprise Christmas present, so I'll give you a little tour of this room because when you're on their website, there's not very much to see about it. So you walk in and you have a little kind of kitchenette area. I don't know what's up here. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, like silverware and plates and everything. This is a residence, and again, so they have some living stuff. Coffee, microwave, a fridge. And then here we got the, what is this called? The family suite?
Oh, I thought you were gonna point at me.
Oh, you want me to point at you? There he is. We got a family suite, so we have one twin bed and one full. And then in here we have the bathroom. So, some products there, a bath. So also people said this room is very dated, and I don't see that it's dated. It's actually very nice. Very nicely appointed, so. And then, so there's a wardrobe here.
Oh, really? Right on top.
And here is our view.
Wow, it's pretty good. This is amazing. I think we're facing west right now. There's the ball, the drop where they do the countdown right there. The New Year's Eve on 1740 right there. That's where they do the countdown for New Year's Eve.
Cool. Yeah, this is awesome. Thanks for checking out our New York City room tour. Coming up in our next video, we will be boarding the beautiful Disney Magic for 4 days at sea. Hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.